Here are the January 2022 robot news with the following topics. I present you all the robotic highlights of CES 2022, and German Bionic launches a new generation of exoskeletons. Enjoy! Hello, my name is Werner Hampel, and if you like our monthly news, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate the bell to get notified when we upload new robotics videos for you. And now we get right into it, because as always, the new year started with the CES in Las Vegas. From January 5th to 8th, the Consumer Electric Show took place. A technology trade shows where innovations from various industries are presented, which are especially interesting for consumers. Besides the latest TVs, graphic cards and home gadgets, there were of course also some new robots. I would like to tell you about the most exciting ones today. Let's start with the biggest one. John Deere introduces the tractor 8R. This is a fully autonomous tractor that can take a wide range of tasks. It can work 24 hours a day and is scheduled for a large-scale production later this year. It is the first fully autonomous general-purpose tractor, and it can be controlled using a mobile app that displays live video and relevant data in real time. But the tractor also has an air-conditioned cab to sit on it. For navigations, the 8R uses 6 pairs of stereo cameras. The tractor can assess different situations and decide for itself whether to drive or to stop, or if in doubt, call for help. It knows that birds will fly away, so it knows that it doesn't have to brake. But if a dog is running around the fields, the tractor comes to stop. Driving, of course, is only one part of the robot's work, because it also must perform and monitor tasks at the same time, like mowing, seeding, harvesting or plowing. The device has already been tested by selected farmers in the US since 2019, and now it's going to mass production. Not only will the 8R be sold as a complete system, but there will also be a kit with cameras and sensors so that existing machines can be converted into full autonomous status. According to expert estimates, the kit will cost around $50,000 US. Nothing is currently known about the price of the 8R itself. From the field, we now move into our homes. Here I would like to tell you about 2 new robots. Let's start with a fully autonomous vacuum cleaner robot. Roborock has introduced a new premium vacuuming robot. The S7 Max V Ultra can mop and vacuum, and the new intelligent docking system ensures that humans don't have to do virtually anything. The mop and stations are automatically washed during and after the cleaning process. There is an automatic refill function so that the robot can mop up to 300 square meters. That's about 50% more than previous models, and the dust bag said to be able to hold about 7 weeks of dust. The combination of RGB camera, structured 3D light and new neural processing unit enables the robot to detect objects on its path more accurately. Regardless of lighting conditions, the robot recognizes furniture and positions it in the app, allowing the user to choose to clean a specific area, such as around the dining table. The robot also recognizes different floor types and recommends ideal cleaning procedures, from suction power to the best order for cleaning individual rooms. The robot will be available in April, but the technology comes with a price. The robot is expected to cost $1,400, although there will be a cheaper version with automatic docking station. We have had vacuum cleaner robots for a few years, and now we'll look at a robot that hasn't been seen yet, but that solves a real-world problem. Labrador system has developed 2 new robots that help with a simple task: transporting objects from A to B within one's home. The target group of these robots are people who depend on walking aids like crutches or wheelchairs, or similarly handicapped. The caddy and retriever robots look like side tables on wheels and can navigate independently on the customer's home and transport objects weighing up to 11 kilograms. The robots are able to avoid furniture and people and can be controlled by voice command or within an app. When not in use, they automatically return to the charging station to keep the battery charged. The retriever model can also change its own height and has a simple arm that can pick up and put down trays. In addition, a special fridge with a motorized door can be purchased, so that the robot can also fetch food and bring it to bed. The two robots will now be tested by selected customers to find and fix any bugs. Mass production then expect to start in the second half of 2023. The robots will probably cost around 4,500 to 6,000 euros or dollars. That is not cheap, of course, but they are a useful invention that can make life easier for many people. Or what do you think? Tell me your opinion down in the comments here below. And last but not least, the British company Engineered Arts has introduced a humanoid robot called Ameca. It has a human face, can move its eyes and facial muscles, gesture with its hands and of course speak. In addition, it can be controlled remotely. In contrast to other humanoid robots, conversations with Ameca are supposed to be more natural, as confirmed by various trade fair visitors. Now, this is mainly because the robot has cameras in its eyes, which allows to maintain eye contact with the person who is talking to. Ameca responds faster than other humanoid robots, also it still does not come close to human speed. Ameca is Engineered Arts' second attempt at a humanoid robot. The company has already developed Robotics, which could move the eyes and mouth, but it didn't look realistic. The target audience for the robot are companies that want to attract attention at trade shows or in stores, which means it basically has no deeper function or further capabilities. However, it also should serve research purposes. Ameca is modular. The complete robot can be purchased or just the upper body, and it can also be rented. However, the price must be negotiated individually. These were the robot highlights of the CES, but there were also other cool innovations that were presented, such as a light bulb that can measure bodily functions and can detect when someone falls down, or the new BMW that can change color from white to black. If you like technology, you will definitely be excited by one or two of the sketches presented. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. Which robot do you find most exciting? Write down in the comments here below. Robotics company German Bionic has unveiled the 5th generation of Cray X Smart Power Suit, which is expected to be available worldwide in early 2022. According to the company, it provides up to 30 kilograms of support per lift and designed primarily to protect the lower back when lifting heavy loads. A new feature of this generation of the Cray X is to take the strain off the wearer when walking or climbing stairs. To do this, the exoskeleton pushes the wearer's legs forward. The exoskeleton can also be used in wet or dusty environments, meaning it can withstand splashing water on all sides as well as dust in damaging quantities. Thus, construction sites, outdoor warehouse or workshops are possible places of use. Furthermore, the energy management has been revised and been equipped with a 40 volts battery. A new onboarding assistance provides tips and instructions on an integrated display for safer and healthier work. The software warns of signs of poor posture and incorrect lifting techniques. The exoskeleton's main purpose is to provide better working conditions and protect employees from physical harm caused by the high strain of lifting and transporting heavy loads. A great technology that we will certainly see a lot more in the future. That was our first robotic news in the new year. And if you liked the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, activate the bells, and see you in the next video. Your Werner.